Today in your Google Doc, we are going to look at a new feature. So when your Google Doc is open in front of you, you're going to type your name in like you normally do. And then you have a problem that is going to be asked. It says solve the equation showing your steps. This is the given equation, but I would like to see the steps and not just the answer. You're going to click on this blue square and it says insert math. When you click on the blue screen, you get several options that show up down here at the bottom of the screen. The one that we're going to use today is the handwriting recognition. So it has the pen with the A next to it. What it's going to do is transfer anything that we write into typed so that we can put that on our Google Doc. We need to enlarge it so we have enough room. On the top where you see the 5 dots, where my arrow is, I have an arrow on the top, arrow on the bottom. I'm going to move that up. Now my handwriting screen is large enough for me to complete the problem. You do need to retype your problem. The only thing that you will not be able to do is create the line that we usually write through the equal sign, but all the other steps can be completed. So I am going to subtract 8 since I have a plus 8. And as you notice, as I write using my mouse, they do come on the type side in the order that they were supposed to. 32 minus 8 is 24. I'm going to bring down my 4x. I'm now going to show a division since the 2 times 4 is a multiplication. In a calculator is 24 divided by 4. And that's going to give you 6. If you do make a mistake and need to erase, these 2 buttons over here will do them for you. You want the undo, and it will erase starting with the most recent thing that you wrote. So now what we wrote in using our mouse is now typed in on the side of the screen. When you come back down here when you are finished to the insert math, it will appear on your Google Doc.